some. Hope you like it. Happy birthday. Mwah.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ. నువ్వు జీవితంలో ఇంకా బాగా పైకి వచ్చి ఇంకా మంచి పోస్ట్కి వెళ్ళి చాలా ఆయురారోగ్యశ్వరులతో సుఖంగా అందరూ భార్య పిల్లలతో హాయిగా సుఖంగా ఉండాలని కోరుకున్నాను. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ నాన్న. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Kamesh. Enjoy your day today. God bless you.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Kamesh. God bless you. Enjoy your day.
Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
తాతగారు many many happy returns of the day. తాతగారు many many happy returns of the day.
హలో బాబు, పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
many many happy returns of the day.
హాయ్ తాతగారు many many happy returns of the day.
హలో బాబాయ్ గారు, మెనీ మెనీ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే.
చెప్పు
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే బాబు, గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ.
Babu, many many happy returns of the day.
Kamesh, many many happy returns of the day. May God bless you abundantly with good health and prosperity. Have a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Kamesh, happy birthday to you. May God bless you.
హాయ్ బ్రదర్, విష్ మెనీ మెనీ హ్యాపీ
50th birthday, many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Hello Gaugaru, happy 50th birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day. Best wishes to you and to your family.
Happy birthday to you, Bora Babu. Now that you have completed half a century, I wish that you complete another half. I have talked with Pratusha. She is a wonderful girl. My blessings to her and my love to all your family members. মনে পড়ে সেই সব দিনগুলো বড়বাবু, দোজ ওয়ার দ্য গোল্ডেন ডেজ অফ আওয়ার লাইফ। আমাদের সরস্বতী পুজো, নিউ স্পোর্টিং ক্লাবের আর টুকুনকে তোর হাততালি দিয়ে ডাকা। ভালো থাকিস বড়বাবু, খুব ভালো থাকিস।
বাবু, হ্যাপি বার্থডে অ্যান্ড মেনি হ্যাপি রিটার্নস অফ দ্য ডে. ভালো থাকিস.
বাবু, তুই কেমন আছিস? বুড়ো বয়সের জন্মদিনে আমার শুভেচ্ছা নিস। ভালো থাকিস, সুস্থ থাকিস। খুব ভালো লাগলো তোর মেয়ে আমাকে ফোন করেছিল, আমাদের সবাইকে ফোন করেছিল। তোর মেয়ের মাধ্যমে যদি আমাদের এই যোগাযোগটা বজায় থাকে, নাথিং লাইক ইট। তুই ফোন টোন করিস না, তোকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপে পাওয়া যায় না, ফেসবুকে নেই, জানি না মানে বিবেকানন্দ হয়ে গেল কিনা। বুবু একটা মাঝখানে লিখেছে কি, সলিটিউড অফ মাইন্ড লিডস টু হ্যাপিনেস। আমি জানি না মানে তুই তাতে বিলিভ করতে শুরু করেছিস কিনা। তবে হ্যাঁ, বুড়ো বয়সে সবাই কাছাকাছি থাকা, একসাথে থাকাটা আমার মনে হয় সব থেকে ভালো। দদি আছে, আমি আছি, টুকুন আছে, বুবু আছে, তুই আছিস, ছোটার সাথেও মাঝে মধ্যে দেখা হয়, দিদিরা সবাই আছে, মিঠু আছে, মৌ আছে, তো সবাই মিলে মানে উই ক্যান রিয়েলি এনজয়, উই ক্যান রিয়েলি হ্যাভ আ গ্রেট টাইম। সবাই একবার মিট করতে পারি, বারবার বলছি। ইনফ্যাক্ট দদিকে নিয়ে, বউকে নিয়ে একবার মিট করেছিলাম, তখন ঠিকও হলো আমরা সবাই মিলে হায়দ্রাবাদ যাবো, একবার মিট করবো। সো উই ক্যান ডু দ্যাট। জন্মদিনটা খুব ভালো করে কাটা। আর কি বলবো বল, মানে তুই বরাবর মানে সবসময় আমাদের খুব কাছে আছিস, সেই বাবু হিসেবেই আছিস। সো স্টে ব্লেসড, ভালো থাকিস। ওয়ান্স এগেন তোর ফ্যামিলিকে আমার বেস্ট উইশেস জানাস, অ্যান্ড লুকিং ফরওয়ার্ড টু মিট ইউ অল। Have a great birthday.
Hi Babu, happy birthday. Have a great day and a wonderful life ahead. কি খবর কি তোর? তুই আমাদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে নেই, তো ফেসবুকে তোকে খুব একটা দেখি না, কাজে খুব ব্যস্ত। এনিওয়েজ, এনজয় টুডে, হ্যাভ আ গ্রেট হ্যাপি বার্থডে অ্যান্ড ওয়েলকাম টু দ্য 50+ ক্লাব। সময় হলে নিশ্চয়ই ফোন করিস, বহুদিন তোর সাথে কথা হয়নি। তোর সাথে ফোনে কথা বলতে পারলে দারুণ লাগবে। হ্যাপি বার্থডে ওয়ান্স অ্যাগেন।
Hi Kamesh, happy birthday to you.
Hello Kamesh, awesome half century man. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy and keep it going, buddy.
హాయ్ రాకాము, గుర్తుందా 1986 దుర్గాపూర్ మనం కలిసి పాడుకున్న పాట? నరుడి బ్రతుకు నటన, ఈశ్వరుడి తలపు ఘటన, ఆరెంటి నట్ట నడుమా నీకెందుకింత తపన. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy.
Hi Kamdu, wish you very happy birthday. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. Enjoy the day with family. Enjoy.
Hi Kamesh, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Kamesh Rao garu. May God bless you.
Happy birthday Rao, many happy returns of the day.
Hi Rao, हम नारायण अधिकारी और तुम्हारा दिया हुआ नाम छोटा कार्तिक. Wish you happy return of the day till centuries and centuries and centuries. Some in this day, some memorable days I can remember. You also can remember, I think. Sometimes, usually, I was beaten by you on being disagree to go to accompany you going in Harandar Tikis or showing Hindi films. This wealthy return gift are pending with me. I'll give you in later. Some all other some memorable days. Celebrating our 31st, that is New Year in Mess. I wrote a Happy New Year by your Hyderabadi made achar. It is secondly, I cannot forget the hospitality, the welcome you and Bhabis made in my tour in Hyderabad with a gift with this Saker Achar. Today it is a beautiful day for you. I think God bless you. And here your all family members, I think Mohan, Bhabiji and your daughters, your guests, your relatives, सबको मेरी तरफ से प्रणाम, नमस्कार.
Hello Rao, happy birthday to you. Many good wishes from your Podilda.
Happy birthday, జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు. Hope you have a relaxed, peaceful and blissful year ahead.
Kamesh, Deeghayushman Bhavat, Sakal Sampath.
Happy birthday, Kamesh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Happy birthday to you. ఒక్కలేదు వాడిని సరిగా హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
Hello Bagaru, many happy returns of the day. Congratulations on the golden jubilee.
Hi Anagaru, many happy returns of the day. Have a blast. More surprises will follow. Bye. Bye.
Kamesh Garu, how are you? Many more happy returns of the day.
Hello Kamesh, wish you happy golden jubilee birthday, and may God give you many more such years in life, success, happiness, and many more such birthdays in your life. Thank you.
Hi. Hello, Commissioner. Very, very happy birthday. Many, many returns of the day. Hope you remember me. Happy birthday one more time.
హాయ్ డాడీ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే నువ్వు నిజంగానే వదిలిమని అయిపోయావు వదిలిమన్ నువ్వు ఎంత మనం ఇద్దరు ఎంత తిట్టుకున్నా కొట్టుకున్నా నువ్వే నా హీరో లవ్ యూ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే డాడీ ఐ లవ్ యూ సో మచ్ ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ ఫర్ యూ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ 50 years of your life and I hope you have a bright future and your life be full of success. What else can I say? I love you so much. You're my motivation, your inspiration, everything. Bye. Germany Shubhecha.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Dada. Have a great one.
Happy birthday to you, Dada. Enjoy your half century mark. Have fun. Bye.
Hi Dada, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day, enjoy, and God bless you.
Hi Dada, wish you a very, very happy 50th birthday and lots of happiness and good health for you. Have a great one.
Hi Kamesh, wish you many, many more happy returns of the day. I wish you everything that's best for you in this life. Great health, peace, love, and happiness. You're one of the best human beings I've ever met. So I always wish the best to you. My prayers are with you and your family. Always. All the best.
Happy birthday, Kamesh. You have a great life. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. Have a great time.
Happy birthday, Kamesh! You deserve the title that teams have given to you. If you're still wondering what it is, Godfather! Happy birthday, Kamesh!
A very happy birthday, Kamesh. Many, many more happy returns of the day.
Very happy birthday. Have a great life ahead. I just wanted to tell you that I've enjoyed every bit of my association with you in the last 3 years. I'd like to see at least another 2 decades working with you at Pega. So no time to rest. Get back to work on Monday. Thank you.
కమిషనర్ పుట్టినరోజు శుభాకాంక్షలు. మీరు ఇలాగే మరెన్నో పుట్టినరోజులు జరుపుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. Have a great day. Enjoy your day. Take care of yourself. We love you. Happy birthday once again.
Hope you liked it.